Hey everybody, it's Tony, Car Stars. It's a beautiful Saturday here in eastern Tennessee, and I'm cleaning off this cross member. Got the springs in there, some other junk, but man, this thing is just caked. This is like way better than it was, but the amount of filth that was caked onto this thing. I've got this really cheesy Harbor Freight, what is it, Pacific Hydro something or other, and it's barely, like, I can put my nozzle right on a lump, like this lump of compacted dirt, grime, and goo, and it'll barely make a dent in it. So I've got to scrape it and chisel it, and then, yeah, it's nasty. This thing is super nasty. I want to get it to the point today where I can paint it, at least with a primer. So I've got a ways to go. It's in the morning, it's before noon, so I think I can do it. Well, it's about as done as I'm going to get it. I'm going to say it's pretty clean. Hit it with a little brake cleaner. I'm just letting it dry. The springs turned out pretty good as far as cleanliness goes. I was able to put them in a bucket with some soap and water and just scrub them and use the red scuff pad to just get them as clean as possible, and then hit them with some brake cleaner, and then shoot them with a little bit of barbecue black. And this is the first coat, so I'm just gonna hit it a few more times, but it's getting there. This thing was a bear, though. I mean, it was caked, and there's a lot of crevices and crooks and crannies and stuff, and so every time I turned it over, oh look, a new spot of goo that didn't come off. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. But anyway, in the end, I think it's gonna look good, and all the work's gonna be worth it. So that's it, man. And ladies, thanks for watching. Bye.